Hi, today we're at Clementi Road and we're gonna check out the abandoned Clementi railway tunnel. So let's check it out. Now we have climbed down from the top. So this is the bottom of the tunnel. So as you can see, there are people here. So this is the old railway tracks that lead to the Clementi forest, which is, as you can see over here, that's the Clementi forest. It's nothing but trees, and this is where the old railway track used to lead into this unknown darkness. So now I'm going to turn around to the other side and explore the tunnel. Okay, so now I'm walking through the tunnel. So this is the interior. Check out the ceiling. Wow. So this is what is ahead of me. So this is what the railway looked like in the past. And as you can see below, these are tracks, old tracks that have been preserved very well over time. So look at this, looks like the portal through time. So I will just follow these tracks, see where this leads. It's actually quite surreal walking through this place. Actually now it's not so bad since there are other people here also, so not too scary. Anyway, let's oh look, there's a chair or something in front of me, some kind of a small stool or a chair or something. Okay, I think let's try to take some photos of this place. Okay, so back to the exploring. So I think the other end is not too far away, maybe about 20 meters or so. You notice how on the floor there are like green light sticks. I guess this is for people who want to travel at night, explore this place. That's a really nice touch to it. So, wow, here we are, the other side. Damn. This is giving some very creepy vibes. Look at this. Wow. Okay, let me try to shine better. Okay. So this is what it looks like in front of me. It's just forest. And this is where the tracks go through. Yeah, I probably shouldn't walk too far ahead. But, wow, look at that. So this is what is ahead. Okay, so now I'm trying to walk back to the other end. That's my shadow, as you can see. So hopefully I don't run into anything. Just now when I explore the forested part, there's some animal or something in the bush. Scared the hell out of me. But anyway, hope I don't encounter something like that again. So yeah. Oh, and there's that chair again. Let's slowly walk out of here. So far, still good. It's not as scary as I thought it is. Oh wait, I realized this is not a chair. This looks like part of a ladder. Look at it. That's not a chair. Interesting. Why would someone put this here? I have no idea. Okay, so I'm going to approach to the other end. Turns out this tunnel isn't that long. So that was quite fun exploring the place. Meanwhile, oh, something just flew inside. What is that? I seem to have missed it, but something definitely flew inside here. Okay, and here we are. We're back to the right where we started. Boy, that was some adventure. Experienced something that I haven't done in a long time. Exploring abandoned places at night. But clearly tonight it's not abandoned. People are hanging and just chilling here. So yeah. So I think that kind of concludes my exploration for tonight. Maybe I might come back here in the day, more things to see. Or maybe I'll just come back at night. We'll see about that. Meanwhile, yeah, I'll just try to take more photos and then I'll be on my way. So yeah, hope you enjoy this short video. Here's the tunnel once more. Wow. Okay, so guess that will be it.